So I'm Dr. David Matson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hand and upper extremity surgery. I grew up in Mankato, Minnesota. I ended up going to St. Olaf College for undergrad and took a year off between undergrad and medical school, and then returned to the University of Minnesota for medical school and residency, and decided to do a fellowship in hand and upper extremity surgery at Vanderbilt University in Nashville. My dad's an orthopedic surgeon, and so kind of grew up in that environment. I grew up going to Mankato State University football and hockey games with him on the sideline and kind of seeing him work as a team doc. I think what really sparked my interest most in medicine came from our trips to Africa. We went to Kenya 5 times throughout my childhood and through medical school, and so I got to with each of those trips, work a little bit more with patients and kind of see exactly what it's like to be a surgeon. And having that exposure at a pretty young age was really influential in my decision to pursue medicine. And in my free time outside of the operating room or clinic, I spent a lot of time with my family and friends. Born and raised in Minnesota, and have lots of siblings and nieces and nephews in town. My wife and I are both from here, so we enjoy spending time with friends and family. I love winter, so big skier. My favorite thing to do in the world is downhill ski, but I've also recently gotten into cross country a little bit more. It's incredibly important to kind of build a relationship with your patients, make sure that communication is very strong. A lot of my patients tell me that they don't really understand how important their hands are until they can't use them anymore, and something even as small as your small finger being injured can really impact your quality of life and your function. And so my goal is to work with you to understand your goals and then to try our best to restore your function and quality of life as best as we can.